Good morning, dear students. Prayer. Today we continue chapter 12. Today's topic is finding the value of an expression. I am going to explain this topic through exercise 12.3. So take your textbook, page 242, exercise 12.3, question number 1. If m equal to 2, find the value of 1 m minus 2 and some more questions. There's 5 sub questions. So here we take m equal to 2. In these all 5 questions we have one variable m. So variable means vary its values. Here we take m equal to 2 for all the 5 expressions. So the first question is m minus 2 and we take m equal to 2. So we substitute this value to this variable. So m equal to 2, we put m equal to and 2 minus 2 we get 0. So the value of this expression is 0 when m equal to 2. Next second question, 3m minus 5. Here also we take m equal to 2. So substitute the value 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So the value of this expression when m equal to 2 is 1. Next question, 9 minus 5m. So substitute the value m equal to 2. 9 minus 5 into 2. That is 9 minus 5 2s are 10. Now 9 minus 10. So after subtraction 10 is greater value. So put minus. So minus 1 is the value of this expression when m equal to 2. Now next question, 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So here also put the value m equal to 3 into 2 square at the place of m 2. 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 7 equal to 3 into 4. 2 square 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 7 equal to 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 4 minus 7 equal to 12 minus this and this are minus. So we can add 7 plus 4 equal 11. So both are minus. So put minus sign here. So then subtract, we get to 1. So the value of this expression when m equal to 2 is 1. Do you remember subtraction, addition of positive and negative numbers, that is integers? In class 6 we learned it detailed, isn't it? Now next question, 5m by 2 minus 4. So put the value of m as 2. 5 into 2 by 2 minus 4. We can cancel these 2 and 2. So this is 5 minus 4, that is 1. So the value of this expression is 5 minus 4 equal 1. Now question 2. If p equal to minus 2, find the value of, they are given 3 expressions. So in this variable, 3 expressions have variable p and its value we take minus 2. So first is 4p plus 7. This is equal to 4 into minus 2 plus 7 equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 8 plus 7 we get to minus 1. 8 minus 7 1. Then this is greater number 8. Its sign is minus. So we put minus 1. Second question, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So substitute p equal to minus 2. So this is equal to minus 3 into minus 2 all square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now minus 3 into minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2. That is 4. So here 4 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8. So here minus 8 plus 7. So minus 3 into 4 minus 12, then this minus 8 plus 7. Now minus 12 minus 8 we get to minus 20 plus 7 equal to minus 13. Third question, to minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So here also we are going to substitute the value p equal to minus 2. So this is minus 2 into minus 2 cube minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. At the place of p, we put value minus 7. So now minus 2 into minus 2 cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this is minus 8. Minus into minus plus. Then again into minus we get this is minus 8. So here minus 8 minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 7. Now minus into minus plus 8 2s are 60 minus 3 into 4 12, then plus into minus, this plus into minus minus 8 plus 7. Now these 16 and 7 are positive. So add this we get 23. Then 12 and minus negative. Add both we get minus. Now subtract we get 3. So the value of this expression when p equal minus 2 is 3. Now question 3. Find the value of the following expression when x equal minus 1. Here the variable is x and we take value x equal to minus 1. Here also 4 sub questions. Fourth sub question I am going to do now. 1, 2, 3 are homework. So fourth question, 2x square minus x minus 2. Now put the value x equal minus 1. So this is equal to 2 into minus 1 square minus minus 1 minus 2. 2 into minus 1 square is minus 1 into minus 1 we get to 1. Then this minus into minus plus 1 minus 2. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 2 1. So the value is 1. Now question number 4. If A equal to 2 and B equal to minus 2, find the value of, they are given 3 sub questions. I am going to do second sub question and first and third for homework because these all are same type, that is why. So second sub question is a square plus ab plus b square. Now put the value a as 2. So 2 square plus 2 into b minus 2 plus then minus 2 square. This is equal to 2 square means 4. Then 2 into minus 2 we get to minus 4. Then plus minus 2 into minus 2 4. So 4. This is plus 4. This is plus 4. So 4 plus 4 8 minus 4 we get 4. Now question 5. Question 5. When a equals 0, b equal minus 1, find the value of the given expression. So there are 4 sub questions. So I am going to do this third question. 1, 2, 4 are homework. Okay. Now put the value a equals 0 and b equal to minus 1. So this is equal to 2 into 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into b square, that is minus 1 square plus 0 into minus 1 equal to, now 2 into 0 into minus 1, 0 square means minus 1. So 2 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 1, 0. So this is 0 plus 2 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 1 whole square, 0, When we multiply any number with a 0, we get 0 plus again 0 into minus 1, here also 0. So the final answer is 0. So I given some homeworks. So do that homeworks and write notes. We will discuss question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in next class. Okay, thank you.